a pile of cockatoos in these trees up here. They seem to screech every night, but they seem very, very vocal at the moment. But there's thunder rumbling if you can hear it. Polly, want a shotgun? Oh, the bloody hell these hawks are doing, but there's literally dozens of them. They're flying around the edge of above the edge of the lake at the moment, which has got some fairly big waves on it, so they might be waiting for animals to get washed ashore or something. I'll stuff them, I know. Maybe they just got a good breeze for soaring. There's heaps of them. Heaps and heaps of bloody hawks flying in the lightning. And they go back again. They're just doing a similar circuit over again. There was a few of them earlier on, and now there's heaps of them, so obviously something's got their attention.